Constipation, headaches, muscle contractions and cramps, numbness or tingling, tremors, heart palpitations, loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, weakness, seizures, depression, personality changes. These and other symptoms can be caused by magnesium deficiency. Nearly 50% of Americans are not getting enough magnesium in their diets. What does that really mean for our health? It means a whole lot of people are suffering in pain and even dying because they are not consuming enough of one of the most important minerals that the human body needs to function properly. The benefits of magnesium to human health and well-being is absolutely enormous. This essential nutrient plays a pivotal role in everything from muscle function, heart health, even aging. Welcome back to Nature Provides, the channel where we discuss how nature provides the best pharmacy to fight off many of the diseases afflicting today's modern world, and how our deviation from nature is making us more sick today than ever before. If you haven't already, please help us spread this empowering information by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the bell to stay updated on this journey of enlightenment. Now stay with us till the end to uncover how to harness the power of magnesium to enhance your health and vitality. So what are some of the benefits of this electrolyte that we call magnesium, and what role does it play in the body? Magnesium is an essential mineral that is vital for numerous bodily functions, making it indispensable for maintaining overall health. Essential means the body does not make it, so it has to be consumed. This electrolyte plays a critical role in over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body, influencing everything from energy production to DNA synthesis. This widespread influence makes magnesium crucial for virtually every system in the human body. One of the primary roles of magnesium is in energy production. It activates adenosine triphosphate, also known as ATP, the molecule that fuels cellular activities. This activation process is essential for maintaining energy levels throughout the body's cells and organs. Without sufficient magnesium, our cells struggle to generate energy, leading to fatigue and diminished vitality. Magnesium also has significant benefits for the muscular and nervous systems. It helps regulate neuromuscular signals and the contraction and relaxation of muscles. This regulation is essential not just for voluntary muscular actions, such as movement, but also for vital involuntary processes like heartbeat and respiratory rate. By influencing these systems, magnesium ensures they operate smoothly and without disturbance. Furthermore, magnesium is crucial for bone health. It works in concert with calcium and vitamin D to help build and maintain strong bones. This trio is essential for long-term bone density and overall skeletal strength. A deficiency in magnesium may make it impossible for the body to absorb enough vitamin D no matter how much you get. This can make bones more brittle and susceptible to fractures, as well as other health problems. For the cardiovascular system, magnesium's role is equally critical. It helps maintain the health of the heart muscle itself and is involved in managing the balance of other minerals that affect heart function, such as potassium and calcium. Proper levels of magnesium are associated with a reduced risk of hypertension and heart disease because it helps regulate blood pressure and heart rate. Magnesium plays a critical role in DNA repair, an important process that maintains the integrity and stability of cellular genetic material. This mineral acts as a cofactor for various enzymes involved in the DNA repair mechanism, ensuring that cells can correctly identify and fix damage to their DNA strands. This process is vital for slowing down aging and preventing mutations, which can lead to cancer and other genetic disorders. So how do you know if you are suffering from a magnesium deficiency, and what happens to the body if you are? It's a good idea to get a magnesium blood test to identify if you have a severe deficiency, but a blood test will not let you know if you have sufficient or optimal levels of the electrolyte. Research shows that chronic magnesium deficiency leads to the increased risk for multiple serious health conditions, such as migraines, cardiovascular disease, type 2 diabetes, hypertension, stroke, kidney disease, bone disease, and even depression. Despite its central role in physiology and health, magnesium is underconsumed by many Americans, about 48%. Many other regions of the world are experiencing significant magnesium deficiencies as well. Oftentimes, symptoms go unnoticed because early signs of magnesium deficiency can be subtle. A person deficient in this mineral may experience loss of appetite, nausea, vomiting, fatigue, and weakness. As the deficiency progresses, more pronounced symptoms may occur, such as numbness, tingling, muscle cramps, tremors, seizures, personality changes, and abnormal heart rhythms. Chronic low magnesium levels can also lead to long-term health issues such as osteoporosis, hypertension, and heart disease. The prevalence of magnesium deficiency is often due to inadequate dietary intake, increased needs during certain life stages, or health conditions that impair absorption. The daily requirements for magnesium vary by age, gender, and life stage. For adult men, the recommended dietary allowance, or RDA, is about 400 to 420 milligrams per day, while adult women should aim for 310 to 320 milligrams per day, increasing to 350 to 360 milligrams during pregnancy. Children's needs vary from 80 milligrams in early childhood to 360 milligrams in adolescence, underscoring magnesium's role in growth and development. These RDA numbers are the bare minimum, and they are meant to prevent severe deficiency and the development of many of the serious diseases we mentioned earlier. However, optimizing your own health may require you to know how much magnesium you personally need by monitoring your magnesium serum levels through blood test and tracking how much you are getting through diet. Magnesium is naturally abundant in a variety of delicious and nutritious foods, but the standard American diet, which has the very appropriate acronym SAD for SAD, is associated with lower magnesium intake. This is because the consumption of processed foods is at an all-time high, and the amount of nutrients contained in fruits, vegetables, and grains are in rapid decline. The data reveals that modern food has almost 40% less nutrients than the same food did in the 1950s. This fact is extremely alarming. Subscribe to be notified about the upcoming video that explains how and why this happened. If you're exploring ways to increase your magnesium intake, leafy green vegetables like spinach and Swiss chard are still fantastic sources of this essential mineral. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides a significant portion of your daily magnesium requirement. Nuts and seeds, particularly almonds, cashews, and pumpkin seeds, are not only rich in magnesium but also offer healthy fats and protein, making them a perfect snack to boost your intake. Whole grains such as brown rice, whole wheat bread, and quinoa are additional valuable sources that can easily be included in meals throughout the day. Sprouted or germinated plant foods optimizes the absorption of magnesium. Animal products and seafood are not the best options for magnesium, yet they do provide a fairly good amount of the mineral. Fish like mackerel, salmon, and halibut are excellent for consuming a significant amount of magnesium and offering the added benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Remember, the key to getting enough magnesium naturally lies in maintaining a varied and nutrient-rich diet. Supplementation is an option for those who are struggling to get enough magnesium through diet, but it provides a lesser quality version of the mineral. Remember, this unnatural option comes with less stable forms of the nutrient and a higher risk of side effects. If you found this video insightful, please help us by smashing the like button and subscribe for more videos like these. Have you experienced the benefits of magnesium, Or do you think you might be deficient? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Cheers to boosting our health with the help of nature. Remember, when in doubt, nature provides.